In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool slideshow in Canva. We're starting from a blank new canvas, and I'm importing my images from the uploads. So I'm going to go to corner, and I'm going to give them all a size of 36. Now we need to put the images back to back. I'll hit position and send these two layers under. I am getting duplicates from this page. On the second page, this image moves to the side until the next image is introduced. A duplicate is also taken from page 2, and we perform the same steps. Remember that all pages have the same duration. Now we will give the layers a match and move transition. And we also set the duration. And scroll down, click Apply between all pages. There we go. This is the result. When you're finally happy with the result, go to Share and download it in MP4 or GIF format. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and turn on notifications so you can be notified of future videos.